guys, welcome to my channel. It's me, Madam Hayete. Okay? Today's video, ang gagawin po natin, ang mumukbangin natin for today is one of the best recipe from Africa, which is, I never been eating this. It's gonna be my first time. So, ito po ay binigay ng mother ng aking ka-roommate, si Ben, because Ben he's from Congo, part of Africa, of course. So, ito po ang kanyang binigay ng mami niya sa akin. She's so sweet. Excited din ako. Excited ko ding tikman ang tinatawag nilang fufu. So, I will show you. So, ayan siya, guys. Ito po ang tinatawag nilang fufu. So, yung chicken, binarbecue muna nila. And then, this one is kind of yung magiging parang, sauce nila. Which I don't know what kind of veggie is this. But I think it's kind of delicious. And also, ito na yon yung sinasabi nilang fufu. I don't know how they make it. But it's very interesting. English pa more. Hey! Yan. So, ang gagawin natin is papainit natin siya. I-microwave natin siya for, like sabi nila, 2 minutes yata. Hindi ko alam, but we will see. Ngayon, kamayin na natin, besh. Okay, lagyan natin dyan. Kasi ipapainit natin siya. Papainit natin siya, mga beshi. Ayan. O, diba? Let's try to eat this, girl. O, diba? Naggotoman na, be. Ngayon, ganyan yata yan. Tapos, lalagyan natin siya ng sauce. So, wait. We have to bring some spoon. So, ayan na nga, bes. Ito, maglalagay tayo dito ng pinaka-sauce niya yata yan. Para, idikit-dikit mamaya dyan sa white stuff na to. Ito. But I don't know what is this. But excited din akong tikman iri. O, diba? Naghalo-halo ng ating Tagalog, mga beshe. Ayan. So, we're going to put on a microwave, which is andito siya, best. Yan. Lagyan natin ito. Yan. Tapos, then we have to put 2 minutes, sabi. 2 minutes or more than. Kasi masyadong malamig eh. Try natin. 3 na lang. Okay? And then wait later. Okay, guys? So, ayan na, guys. Titignan natin ang ating pinainit na fufu. Wow! Hey! Yay! Pero bakit hindi pa siya hindi pa siya totally. Kailangan dapat siya. Diba? Pero okay na yata. Yung lang masyado nang mainit. Na yung fufu. So, ayan. We're in the last one. Thank you so much. Voila. I'm done. We're done. Thank you so much, guys. Tapos na tayong kumain. Ang masasabi ko, masarap pala. Masarap pala ang fufu. Lalo siguro kung sobrang init, yung lutong-luto talaga siya. Yung bagong luto siya. Yung kakainin mo siya. Yung fresh na bagong luto. Which is kahit na hindi na nga siya fresh or na-ref na siya, nung kinain ko, everything is delicious. Beautiful. Thank you so much guys for watching. And salamat po Lord. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comments below. At lagi po ako nagpapasalamat for every videos that I do. I thank you so much for all the people who watching my short video. Thank you so much guys. Even though I don't know you guys, I'm very thankful or thank you to you, all of you. Dahil ang aking short video ay laging marami akong viewers. Which is so good, and even though yung personal vlog ko is not that kind, it's okay. The most important thing, the most important things guys is nakapagpapasaya tayo ng mga taong gustong manood sa atin. Okay? That's all I want. Okay? Share the love, kindness, and happiness. Ayan. Okay, God bless everyone. And keep safe, all of you guys. Love you. See you again next time. Bye-bye. Madam Hayeris, sign off. Madam Hayeris, sign off. Of course not. I'm just be there. See you again next time. Tama na ang aking daldalan. Bye-bye.